12.
Number 237 Mac Tower, climb maintain 17,000.
Climb maintain 17,000 for 237 Mike Tango.
JetBlue 69, turn right heading 310, descend and maintain 5,000.
Descend maintain 310, descend maintain 5,000, JetBlue 69.
Good evening, Kennedy Approach, American 166, passing level 200 for 190.
American 166, New York Approach, expect RNAV Zulu, runway 13 left approach.
Addons Zulu, runway 13 left approach, American 166.
Number 237 Mike Tango, contact New York Center 125.32.
125.32 for 237 Mike Tango. Have a good one.
JetBlue 69, cleared direct cockpit. That's Charlie Alpha Papa India Tango.
Cleared direct cockpit for JetBlue 69.
Number 1 Tango Sierra, wind 120 runway 16, cleared north.
Clear line 16, November 160.
Was it 1210 or do you 250 knots right now?
Affirm.
Thanks.
New York departure, United 2210 with you at 4,000, going to 5,000.
United 2210 New York, Center radar contact. Clear direct way B, climb maintain 12,000.
Clear direct wavy, climb to 12,000, United 2210.
JetBlue 69, cross cockpit at or above 2,900, cleared RNAV X-ray runway 2 to left approach.
Pass cockpit at more 2,000 or greater, clear direct 22 left for RNAV X-ray for JetBlue 69.
JetBlue 69, it's cockpit at or above 2,900.
Roger, cap at 2,900 or greater for JetBlue 69.
American 1042, descend and maintain 900,000. Westjet 1210, descend and maintain 4,000.
4,000, Westjet 1210.
New York departure carrier 526, are you covering white planes or is that center?
Okay, for 526, yes, I'm doing white planes.
Thank you very much. We're going to have a few people calling you up here in a little bit.
Roger.
American 2156, vacated runway 4 on Foxtrot.
American 2156, welcome to LaGuardia, taxi. Sorry, taxi to ramp via Foxtrot Alpha.
Foxtrot Alpha to the ramp, American 2156, thank you.
JetBlue 69, maintain 170 knots or less.
170 knots or less for JetBlue 69.
United 2210, contact New York Center 125.32.
Contacting New York Center 12532, Thank you, United 2210.
American 1042, turn right heading 250 vectors, copy. American 166, descend maintain 16,000, Kennedy altimeter 3015.
16,000 and 3015, thank you. American 166.
Tower 169, contact Kennedy Tower 191, have a great landing. JetBlue 69, contact Kennedy Tower 119.1.
Off to Kennedy Tower, JetBlue 69, have a good night.
Petition number 34 Alpha Sierra is level 7,000, direct biggie.
Tradition 34 Alpha Sierra, New York Center. Question, New York departure. Climb maintain 17,17,000.
17,17,000, number 34 Alpha Sierra.
WestJet 1210, turn right heading 260 vectors to final.
Heading 260, WestJet 1210.
American 1042, turn right heading 310. American 166, radar contact lost. American 1042, descend maintain 3,000. WestJet 1210, turn left heading 220.
Heading 220, WestJet 1210.
American 1042, turn right heading 330. York Approach 1, number 234, receive at windy 8000. Number 234, New York Approach, expect ILS, runway 4. Expect ILS, runway 4 from 234, and November 234 requesting away from the cockpit for about 3 minutes. Number 234 approved as requested. Roger, thank you. Wizard 1210, maintain at 180 knots.
180 knots, West 12.
American 1042, cleared direct Capit, cross Capit at or above 2,900, cleared Arnav Zulu, cross Arnav X-ray, runway 22 left approach. Number 34 Alpha Sierra, contact New York Center 125.32. Number 34 Alpha Sierra, contact New York Center 125.32.
125.32, so what the 34 Alpha Sierra.
Right, Westjet 1210, turn left heading 130, descend and maintain 3000.
Heading 130, descend and maintain 3000, Westjet 12.
New York departure, KJFK 526, looking for an IFR clearance to Hyannis.
Westjet 1210, 5 miles from Pachu, turn left heading 070, descend and maintain 2200 onto the established, cleared ILS, runway 4 approach.
Heading 070, maintain 2200 to establish to left 4 approach, Westjet 12.
Okay, per White Plains, take call sign, please.
KJFK 526.
Okay, per 526, clearance on request number 1 is standby. Approach to 234, back to the cockpit. 234, roger.
Landing gear. Landing gear. Landing gear.
2500.
Landing gear. Landing gear. Altitude. Landing gear. Landing gear. Altitude.
Say again for 234, I have some radio issues.
Altitude.
Number 234, roger. Oh, roger, good run now. American 1042, contact Kennedy Tower 119.1.
13 right, clear for takeoff. Left heading 110, 13 right, clear for takeoff, 5. American 1042, traffic departs crossing runway prior to your arrival, wind 120 at 10, runway 22 left, clear to land.
Traffic.
Hey, 557 heavy contact, New York departure 128.12. Enjoy your flight.
Vertical speed.
Departure on 2812, so long, at 527.
Conflict. Minimums.
Kennedy ground, Delta 1855 at Ram Bravo 29 requesting clearance.
100.
To Miami with information Delta.
50. 40. 30.
Delta 1855 Kennedy Tower, information hotel is current, altimeter 3013. You're cleared to the Miami International Airport, Kennedy 5 departure, heading 170. Clear the vectors to Wavy, then as filed. Maintain 5,000. Select flight level 360, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 128.12. Squawk 1611. American 1042, welcome to Kennedy. Exit right onto Zulu, cross runway 31 left, then left Juliet, hold short runway 22 right. American 1042 on Zulu, cross runway 31 left, left on Juliet, hold short runway 22 right. Delta 1855, do you need me to read the clearance? American 1042, what terminal are you looking for tonight? American 1042 on Juliet, cross runway 22 right, continue straight ahead onto Alpha to Terminal 8.